Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the Google account that contains the images. Make sure you're signed in. Open the Photos app on your phone or go to Photos. Google, com in a browser. Once there, locate the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, or tap Library at the bottom in newer app versions. This immediately exposes folders and system options. You're beginning the recovery flow, so don't navigate away. Make sure auto updates won't change the layout while you follow the next steps. Once you open the menu or library, choose Trash or Bin to view recently deleted items. You see photos kept up to 60 days. After that, they're permanently removed, so act quickly. Tap and hold a photo to select multiple items or use checkboxes in the web interface. This lets you bulk restore or permanently delete. If you don't see expected images, double-check the signed-in account and any shared libraries. Photos can be in a different library. With items selected, tap Restore to move them back into your main library and albums. This recovers metadata like dates and location when available. If you choose Delete Forever, understand it's irreversible. Use that only when sure. Once restored, make sure photos reappear on other devices after sync. If they don't, pull to refresh or sign out and sign back in. Troubleshooting tip. If trash is empty or missing items, confirm you're in the correct account, that backups were enabled, and that the app or browser is up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.